is doing another video of it. Well, my first video of dopes and nopes. Dopes and nopes. Dopes and nopes. So which one it is? It might be a dope. Or it might be a nope. Maybe it's a, maybe in the cookie it would be a gobble gobble. Or a rabbit rabbit. Gobble gobble is a yay! A rabbit rabbit. No? So it will be changing. So let's do the first one. So the first video today, for the first item today is what? Oh, it's brainy pudding, and it's this hyper who changes color. So let's open it. It's orange. So let's just do this real quick. Oh, it's changing already. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to see how it turns out. So then I could go 5 minutes at least. So that's it changed color. So everything was orange. Look. It's yellow. So it's a dope. It lives what it stands for. So let's. So let's put it back together. And I might just, when I do get my own house, maybe I just put this onto the shelf. Memories when I was a kid. By the way, I'm not going to do live streams because that's too unaffordable. Hey, Justin. Justin. Justin.
What?
Come. Justin, come. Justin.
What?
Come. Never mind. Sorry for it. So the next one is the Mega Blaster. Look at this. That's loud. So let's check out the Mega Dots. This is out of the case because I took it out of the. So look at this. You want to hear this. If you put it in, but not all the in. I just have like that much, not this much, but that much of everything. So you're supposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're supposed to get 6, but I had to get a new one, so I'm going to get a new package. If I do lose 5 more, I can get a new package. I got the new package ready to snap away. So how you get it in here, you say? You just get it, and right here, you just push it down. So I'm going to go outside.
How many videos are in video? Hate that.
So I just do this. So my 5. So let's go outside and shoot this baby. So I'm outside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you on my testing thing is, and then I'm gonna shoot the garage door, and then after that I'm gonna show you the whistle. That kind of whistle. So yeah, I'm gonna put you down with the girl, but I'm gonna be shooting. You might get dropped. Sorry. So let's do this. So yeah. So let's do this. That's it. That is loud. And then speed with the whistle. Because I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go out far away. Far away to practice the speed and the whistle. So, sorry if you cannot see me. It's really, really bright out. So yeah. Hey, Scott! This one fouled out because sometimes it pops right out. So it's supposed to go around 97 speeds per mile. So I'm gonna be right back inside. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.